nicely updated home in Mount Dora. Situated on a double lot with about a third of an acre. This move-in ready property features updated kitchen with quartz countertop. Newer flooring in the primary bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room, along with a fully renovated bathroom and laundry space for modern convenience. Upgrades include a brand new hot water heater, as well as an oversized tiled shower and solid wood pin doors. Large back fully fenced backyard. Great full-time residence, seasonal getaway, or investment opportunity, this property delivers comfort, updates, and versatility. Conveniently located with easy access to the 429 expressway, commuting to Orlando, Trimble Park, area attractions, the airport is in just minutes from downtown Mount Dora's shops, dining, and waterfront.